This is Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and today I will show how you can add sticky notes to your home screen on this device. So first you will need to launch your home screen, then select a vacant spot, any free space will do. Then hold your finger on it, choose widgets, find the notepad or notes widget family. So in my case, there is none, perhaps. And that's a normal thing to occur, actually. What we need to do is to download whatever Notes app you prefer using. And, well, this app also gotta have widgets in it. The general choice in that scenario is to download the Keep Notes app from Google. So let's launch the Play Store and install this app. Once the app is installed, let's get back to the widgets menu, find the Keep Notes section, here it is now, then select whatever widget design you would like to go with. I'll go with the smallest one, and then place it at whatever you would like to have it, or you enjoy seeing it at. And well, that will be it, so thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.